The welding program at North Tech is part of the Construction Innovations rotation with electrical, carpentry, general construction, and HVAC. During your junior year, you will take one class each quarter out of the 5 classes. For your senior year, you'll choose one to take your entire senior year.
At South Tech, we run a 2-year program for juniors. We have them in the morning. We have seniors in the afternoon. So we start primarily from doing sample plate welds. They start out just by learning how to just simply run a bead across a pad. From there, we move into T-joints, where we actually start joining 2 different pieces of metal, and we do this in all positions. And then from there, we start moving into the more challenging things, where we start to actually do some structural steel plate welding with an open gap in between them.
So we get here, we sit in the classroom, we kind of go over what we might be doing for the day, do a little bit of class work, maybe for 10-15 minutes, and then head into the shop and start working on projects.
We get to do MIG welding, stick welding, grinders. We've built dice, welding coupons together, doing lap joints, T-joints.
Each student has their own booth in which they can practice their welding. They are complete with curtains that block everyone else in the room from seeing any kind of arc flash. They have their own fume extractors that pull, all the burning smoke and chemicals that you might get in the air and all the dust. And it has an opportunity for each student to be in their own environment.
We have lots of equipment. Like we have a big power shear, we have all of the welders, we have torches, we have plasma cutters, the bandsaw.
Being at my home school is a lot different than here, because here I'm not sitting in a classroom 24/7. Like, we still have classroom time, but it's more of a hands-on where I can actually do something and work with my hands. So we've had American Welding Academy come in and talk to us, and we also had Missouri Welding Institute. You have a lot of different opportunities of showing you your options after just this.
There's also a lot of stuff that you wouldn't necessarily think about when you think about welding, such as Lawmeyer Sculpture Park, the City Museum. They have a lot of welded sculptures there.
We also do some basic supporting math that will be used out in the field. We also place a heavy emphasis on having the students be able to read and interpret blueprints. There's unlimited potential if we're willing to be creative and use materials and processes around us to build the world the way that we want to see it.